Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to ANIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, BQ2. Today's topic is Chapter 3, Board Question 2. Term Annual, Lesson number 30. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Chapter 3, BQ2. Chapter 3, Board Question 2. BQ2. Make a list to behave well with the parents. Answer. A list to behave well with the parents are given below. Number 1. We must show them respect and must honor them. Number 2. We must not be angry with them. Number 3. We should not speak harshly with parents. Number 4. We will never hurt them. Number 5. We will speak to them with smiling face. Number 6. We will give them nursing and treatment if they are ill. Okay, dear students, now I want to repeat again. Question number 2. Make a list to behave well with the parents. Answer. A list to behave well with the parents are given below. Number 1. We must show them respect and must honor them. Number 2. We must not be angry with them. Number 3. We should not speak harshly with parents. Number 4. We will never hurt them. Number 5. We will speak them with smiling face. Number 6 and last one. We will give them nursing and treatment if they are ill. Okay, dear students, this question is very important about serving our parents, about good behave with our parents. This is also order of Almighty Allah, because Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَلَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ شَيْئًا وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Allah the Almighty said, وَلَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ شَيْئًا, don't make equal anything with Allah, and abide by the order of parents and good behave with the parents. Okay, dear students, it is also order of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to good behave well with our parents. So this question is very important for our exam, and it is very important in our daily life too, because it is order of Allah and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to abide by the parents and follow the order of parents and good behave with the parents. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, abide by parents, stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.